With the Digium phone connected to Switchvox, you may tie your status settings to call rules. Therefore, the call rules will be automatically enabled when you update your status. To see how this works, log into the web suite and go to Features, then Call Rules. You can create call rules for unanswered calls, busy calls, blocked calls, or prompt the caller to enter a secret code before the call is completed. Here is a rule set named Default Do Not Disturb. This rule set will automatically activate anytime the status is set to Do Not Disturb. Based on this configuration, Switchvox will decline queue calls immediately and send all direct calls to voicemail immediately. To create new rules, click on Create Call Rule Set. Enter a rule set name, select a time frame, and select the primary status type or specific substatus that will activate this new call rule. For example, selecting Any Extended Away will activate this call rule whenever any status is set with the primary type of Extended Away. However, selecting a specific substatus will only activate the call rule when that specific substatus is set. This allows you great flexibility in defining how your calls will be routed. You can have a specific status option for everything from web conferences to out-of-town appointments, and the call rule action will take effect when that custom status is set. As an example, I will create a call rule that forwards calls to my cell phone when I have my status set to Extended Away, out of town at Astrakhan. Clicking Save Call Rule Set brings me to the Call Rule Set editing screen where I can add actions. I'll click Create Action and then choose an action type. I will select Call Cascade. This action type allows me to forward calls to an external number, such as my mobile phone. Then I'll choose the type of call, the number to forward to, and the number of times to ring the previous rule. I will set this action to complete immediately. I will then enable Attempt to Preserve Caller ID, and I will leave Acknowledge Call disabled. Finally, I'll save the action. Now, when I set my status to Extended Away, out of town at Astrakhan, the call will cascade to my mobile phone instead of ringing my desk phone. Remember that you can always click on the Help icon to find detailed information about all of the options you can use to configure your status and call rules.